YouTubers, Animal Jammers. Today I'm gonna show you this cool monkey secret. Here it's on, and it's right here. So we are in this adventure. Well, it's called wait. So see, this is just for monkeys. This is a Great Escape, and here when I click, then there will be a treasure, and you get a gift. So when you click, you also get extra courage. Then you can go here, and here's a treasure after that. So okay, so can get rares or stuff like that, but I don't know. I don't know what I mostly found. Okay, back glasses. That was funny. Okay, there was a quick show. I just wanted to show you this. This was this, and I got black glasses. Let me see them again. Wait, we'll get some boosts. Okay, let me see the back glasses. Okay, survive on this. Okay, so here they are, my necklaces. Okay. Yeah, this was the short thing. So yes, this is a cool thing, a cool secret. Only monkeys can open it though. Yes. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy your gifts, and hope you enjoyed my secret. Bye.